So, guess who's back? I finally got my new camera, got my new computer, getting ready to get this show jumping off. We're going to replace a lot of the old crap that I've done that you guys are bored of looking at. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much for following me, even though I haven't done anything in like, I don't know, 6, 7 months. Excuse me. We're getting ready to start getting busy, and it's almost spring here in Seattle, and right about now is the time that HempFest is going to be jumping off. We got some signatures to sign to see if we get the legalization of marijuana on the ballot. I finally got my little brother in the cam, and he's got a show now on YouTube. It's Big Jimmy Provolone, so go check out his channel. If you can't find him, that's okay. Look at my subscriptions or look at my friends. You should find him there. I got him linked up with my stuff, so his favorites are my favorites are his favorites, kind of thing, you know. Basically, this is just going to be an introductory video to let you guys know that I'm back. I'm glad that you guys were supporting me and missing me while I was gone. So, we're going to get this show off and we're going to start doing some new shit here. Why don't you leave me some comments on what you'd like to see, what you'd like to talk about. Just hit me up, let me know that you're still out there, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for the love and support. Peace.